What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. For those of you who are new, my name is Jeff, welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. For those of you who are not new, welcome back. Today we're headed down to Monterey Car Week. We got the whole crew and we're gonna be sleeping in our cars. Here we got car number one, we got Mr. B Distinct himself. We're at the B Distinct crib. Bro, you look swole right now.
Oh shit, relax.
Not that kind of swole. We got Mr. GTR Crowd Killer himself.
Hello.
We got Mr. Cena Better Day. And Mr. Green Flames Dragon's Breath Soupzilla. Yeah. Alright. So, as you guys can tell, this is going to be a crazy one. Yes! We made it to Monterey. We're here. Bryson was sleeping, snoring in the car, but we're here. We're getting ready to head over to Denny's, and then we're gonna sleep in the car. Oh yeah, I know I mentioned it earlier, but we're getting ready to sleep in our car. Literally sleeping in our cars. All right, so we got the R8 looking good here in Monterey. We got B Distinct's G35 supercharged, not pro-charged, in the metallic midnight purple. And then we got the Soupzilla Flame Spitta looking amazing. Wow. How you feeling?
Fantastic. I'm so out of it right now.
I'd like to put some pants on. You guys look at these chicken legs. I'm freezing out here. Bro, I just can't get enough of the fucking PJs, dude.
You like them?
No.
No, yeah, you do.
We just found a random side street where we are going to be sleeping in the cars. Literally, like, he's sleeping in his car. I'm sleeping in my car. Bryson's gonna be snoozing in the passenger seat of my car. Ruben, Cena, we're all just gonna
knock out in our car. Melatonin right now.
Bryce is gonna pop some melatonin. We were all laughing when he wanted to bring this car, but now, who's really laughing? Look at this, look at this. He's got like a nice little luxurious space here, and we're all like, I'm gonna be sleeping in a bucket seat, and he's just gonna be sprawled out in here, dude.
We'll find how you feel tomorrow.
Yeah, I know, right? All right, guys, the time has officially come. I've got my pillow. I think I'm just gonna put it up on my steering wheel and just sleep like this the whole entire night. I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure it out, but we're doing it. I wasn't lying.
All right, guys, so they're still asleep in the car. I've been awake for like an hour or whatever, and just come over here. Just be hella quiet because they're still sleeping.
All right.
Worst sleep they ever had
I
in
know,
his life.
That looks horrible.
His seat doesn't even move or anything. He's just stuck in the same position though.
Bro. No. Don't sleep in this car. Oh, look at these guys. Look at these guys. They're just like, what are you doing? This is the worst car ever to sleep in. Oh my God.
Wake up. Hold on.
Why don't you like the Stradman?
I don't care about Stradman. I don't like his Bugatti.
Why? You don't like pink and chrome?
Come on, pink and chrome?
What color is your Bugatti, bro?
Oh! Oh! What color is your Bugatti? Everything's a GTR these days.
It really is.
Bro, this is badass. Give me a little clip of who you are in your car and what you got going on.
Yeah, so I'm Dylan. This is my mom's car, and I'm just ripping it for the week. It's fun.
Nice.
Yeah. It's
Let's
awesome.
take a look at this bad boy.
Yeah, little purple 3RS.
Okay. Mom's car.
Yeah.
I like it.
Pretty cool mom car.
Honestly, you guys, this McLaren is like blowing my mind right now. It looks so good. Yo. Yo. See the pink in the sun? I was literally gonna wrap my R8 this color. Bro, I ain't even mad. That car looks so good. One of one, bro. One of one. We got the only CT200 in all of Monterey, bro.
Right here, baby.
Right here. Rev it! Bro, if there's ever been any carbon fiber, this is it right here. Holy crap. You can't have a trip to Monterey without a drive down 17-mile drive. Just hit a parking lot and check out this view, ladies and gentlemen. So like I was saying, everybody, we got some views right here, and we just had to pull the R8 into probably one of the dopest spots ever. This looks absolutely incredible. And I think it's been a really long time since I've used the drone. So we're gonna bust out the drone. We're gonna get some super sick shots of the R8 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, buddy.
3-3.
Yeah, 3-3.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We
got a little suspension.
Yeah, not even close.
I can't grip it.
Yeah, no.
There's no place to grip.
Yeah.
Wah, wah, wah.
That was great.
Yeah. All good things must come to an end, and today's amazing day is coming to an end. So here I am saying thank you so much for coming by my channel. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.